Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to do the Lego roll. So, I don't know if you remember, the Lego rock is where you're sitting like so and you rock back and forward in this position. This is the position that you could maybe play with Legos from. Anyway, rocking back and forth here, great for your feet. That's Lego rocking. Now the Lego roll would be, you can start like here on all fours, and it's kind of like an elevated roll from all fours, but you're gonna take your leg, reach back across your body, and come to the, kind of like the Lego sitting position. And then from here, you're gonna undo it and come back. So it's here, kind of like the Lego sitting position where you're playing with Legos, and then come back. From the side, it looks like this, hey, and then you come back. So it starts as a lower body roll from here, and you reach back with that foot, and you come to a sitting. It's almost like the how you doing position. And then from here, you're gonna go back as an upper body roll. So you take your arm, you pick yourself up, reach back across, and let that reach pull your body back over. So at speed, kind of looks like this. And you can play with your hand position. So when I bring my hand down, I can internally rotate my arm so that my fingers are pointing at each other. And that allows me to mobilize the fingers as well as the toes. So this is a great roll to give gentle mobilization to the feet and the toes, and gentle mobilization to the hands and fingers. And of course, it's getting rotation to your spine, which is great for your spine, keeps your back nice and healthy. No matter what you've heard, rotation is good for the spine. And that is the Lego rocking roll. It's not a Lego rocking roll, it's a Lego roll, because if it were a Lego rocking roll, it would look like it was rocking inside of the rolling, or a rock and roll. Never mind that. Lego rocking is here, and Lego rolling is here. All right, guys, give that a shot. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net. To train with Tim, go to osi-online.com.